year. Well, if you've been injured on the job, there are several things you need to know before picking a workers' compensation case lawyer. I recently sat down with attorney Jim Higgins at the Higgins Firm to get some advice. We've been talking about workers' compensation for a while, and today we're talking specifically how to find a lawyer and what you need to know to pick one. So Attorney Higgins is going to tell us a little bit about that. And first, you say to really talk to someone who's had the help of a lawyer who's worked with workers' compensation cases.
Yeah, I think that's true. I mean, in anything, you talk to somebody who's been through the system before, who's had to use a lawyer, and just ask them, how was their lawyer? Did they do a good job for you? Did they respond to your phone calls or your emails? A lot of my clients, that's truly where they come from, is other people that we've represented, and you hope that your reputation gets out there as being a good work comp firm. And so it's always good to talk to folks that have been through it before. And you can look on the internet too. Our internet site talks about cases we've done. They always has good information on there about what your rights should be. It's just such a powerful tool nowadays, and it's such a great equalizer to give people the opportunity to learn about a firm, more so than just a quick yellow page ad or commercial. It's a good way to learn about folks.
Right, and to go along with that, of course, you got to do your homework. You really want to find out how much experience the attorney has, especially in workers' compensation cases.
Yeah, I think years ago there were lawyers, or more of them, that just kind of had a hodgepodge or did a lot of different things. But nowadays, people really tend to focus. So, for instance, our office is set up in very specific litigation groups, and we have a workers' compensation litigation group, and that is what they do. We've handled cases across the state. We've handled cases through the Court of Appeals. We've been, we keep up on the nuances of the work comp law, which is just always changing. It is. So it's just important to get somebody that's their area.
Right, and you can find all that stuff out beforehand. Another thing that's important is to really interview potential attorneys. Why does this help so much?
I think there has to be a comfort level. With a physician or anything else, you want people to come in. It's a stressful situation. It's a hard situation. So you want to make sure that the person you're talking with, you feel good about them. And there are cases that I think I've had clients that were great matches for, and I think part of that's when they come in and talk to us, and I hope most of my clients feel that way, but that's important. You should go talk to your lawyer and see if you feel comfortable with them, and I think that's kind of the final step for choosing which firm you want to represent you in one of these cases.
All right, great information. Thank you, Jim.
Thanks.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 615-353-0930, or for more information and a link to their website, higginsfirm.com, just go to the More at Midday section of WSMV.com.